So within the fire service, we're not only known for helping people during house fires or vehicle fires, we're also quite known for helping people out in road traffic collisions. So ways we can do that is by using some of the equipment here, and that can be done to help people who are stuck, so cutting doors off or creating space for us to get in and help someone who's in a bit of trouble in the car. It's also to make it safe. If there's been a bump on the road, we need to clear up the area or disconnect the batteries to let the emergency services get to work as well. A couple of ways that we can just help reduce the levels of road traffic collisions. Making sure that people who are driving are paying attention, so they're not on their phones. If you're out on the roads, make sure you're wearing your bike helmet and looking both ways before crossing the street as well.